Good morning, and on this episode of the Personal Finance series on this channel, I'll be talking about a very important aspect of money, and that's what I like to call cryptocurrency. And now, for this one, I'll be inviting a very esteemed guest, the CEO of the Gentle Crypto, to teach us and expound on what cryptocurrency truly is and the opportunity for a student in it. And before I go on, I'd like to say that this video is not financial advice, but mainly for educational purposes. Enjoy. So, welcome to my channel. My name is Onwachuk's on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, anywhere Onwachuk's. Today I have with me a special somebody, a literal special somebody, an Ethereum genius, a crypto master, Igwenagu Emmanuel, CEO and founder of Gentle Crypto Enterprise. Please, I've said small, just like give us more about yourself.
Okay, good afternoon, good day,
Yeah.
any time frame you are.
Yeah.
I welcome you to this channel, and I have to say thank you to Ibube for having me on this platform to tell you more about myself and about my brand, and give you a brief on what cryptocurrency is all about.
Truly.
So, like he said, my name is Igwenagu Emmanuel Chinecherem, and I am the founder and CEO of Gentle Crypto Enterprise. It has subsidiaries which are Gentle Crypto Trading Academy, which kicked off 1 year plus now.
1 year.
And
Wow.
we've been doing perfectly well.
Okay.
So we have students cutting across Nigeria and beyond. So the number of our students are growing every day. We are teaching them on how to make wealth profitably trading the cryptocurrency market without asking anybody to trade for them. We're trying to change the status quo of having people seek for traders and tell them, help me trade. Now, we're not showing you, or we're not giving you fish, but we're not showing you how to fish, how to cast your net, where to cast your net, and where you can get the biggest number of fish. Just like Jesus told Peter, put your net this side. And when he cast the net,
Yes,
at that particular point in time,
yeah.
the fish were so much that the net was about 10. That is what we do to you in Gentle Crypto Trading Academy.
100%.
So we tell you where to cast your net in the cryptocurrency platform, or the
Yeah.
cryptocurrency trading space, and the coins you trade, how to trade them, when to buy, when to sell, and then how to make quick decisions in the market. Like, I do ask people, how fast can you trade? So it's not about trading itself, it's how quick can you decide when and where to trade. So that is what we do in our trading academy, and we are not just saying them by mouth. Maybe at the end of the video, going to give you my social media handles,
Yeah.
so you can actually look up our space, and see what we've been doing. And then if you want to be part of it, you are always welcome. I'm going to leave my number at the end of this video, so that you can easily contact me. You're not contacting my PA, you're contacting me personally.
Yeah.
You understand?
Get the crypto himself.
So you're contacting me personally.
Yes.
So you can give me a call, send me a message on WhatsApp, and then reach me on any of my social media handles. Be very, very glad. I'm going to attend to you perfectly.
Yeah. But like, are you a student though?
All right. Yeah, I'm a student, University of Nigeria, Enugu campus, precisely.
Yeah.
And by the grace of God, I don't see myself as a student
Anymore.
So I tell people I school, but I'm more like one leg in school, one leg out of school, because I'm in the end of my academic study here in UNEC. So I'm now into business and wealth creation, financial inclusion, and financial freedom. So that's what I make people have, by God's grace, not by my power.
Yeah.
So I always attribute everything to God. That's why I use this slogan, "Na God the runner."
To be honest.
So no be me the runner. So
I know
He
you.
just used me as His instrument, just like they said we are just a pencil in the hands of God. So I'm just more like the pencil. God is the artist. He just does what He does with me, and then results comes out, and I give the glory to God Himself. So I'm a student.
Yeah. Okay, so but like, this series I'm doing, the financial series, teaching us, being students like me and you, who have gone
like fine in life and made money to an extent in their various fields. And this field of his is cryptocurrency. So, Sir Emmanuel, what is cryptocurrency for you?
With cryptocurrency, to cut all the stories short,
Yes.
is I see it as a democratic system of money,
Ha!
whereby
Yeah.
I like attributing politics to what I do in business because
That's
I've been in the
crazy.
political field before.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
I've been doing fine in politics, and then people see me in business and in crypto, and they were like, "How? Why?" So cryptocurrency is a digital asset, a digital form of money, whereby you have your money to yourself. Nobody is controlling your funds. Like you have freedom of your own. This is where they call the word financial freedom comes into play. You understand?
yeah. Yeah,
You have
understand.
freedom of your own money. Like, I'm sending it to Mr. A, Mr. O or P. He does
Doesn't
not
need to know,
know
yeah, yeah.
who I'm sending the money to. Mr. A just receives the money and is happy, you
Hmm.
know. And it's more like an open system. People say it cannot be tracked. Yeah, cryptocurrency to some extent cannot be tracked, but transactions that happen on the cryptocurrency space are recorded on the blockchain, and anybody, any part of the world can monitor your transaction. It's also going to shock me, yeah.
Chucky, you,
I'm telling
you,
you,
okay.
because I was speaking to one of my bosses. Was it last week or last 2 weeks? He was telling me that you can actually track where a cryptocurrency, the address of where the cryptocurrency was sent from and going and sent to. Like, he made the analysis on his WhatsApp status, and I was like, how is that possible? Someone asked him in his comment section, in his DM,
Yeah, yeah.
and used the person's address and did the analysis and screenshotted it down, and I was shocked. So it's more like he exposed to the world that cryptocurrency can be tracked. Yeah. But he said when I made inquiries about it, he said it's not a free stuff. So in case you
Okay.
want to track your cryptocurrency transaction,
Yeah,
you
yeah,
let
yeah.
me know. I can link you up to him, so
Okay.
you can track the location where it was mined,
Okay.
the algorithm used in mining it, and the rest of them. So cryptocurrency is a digital money. It is trackable. It is open. It is without government influence.
Mm.
It's not like you are having, let's say, if it's forex now, maybe one crisis or the other is
In
happening,
some way, it affects
it
your.
will affect your currency. But crypto, no. Coronavirus came.
Crypto
Omo,
went up.
crypto was bullish. It was green every day. So people were like, it should not be.
Yeah, yeah,
Normally, in any financial system,
yeah. Yes.
stocks, forex, any financial system at all,
Mm.
it's meant to fall. But shockingly, crypto became very popular that period.
Yes.
People went into it because the system is working on demand and supply. It's not about any government. The system is controlled by you, me, that is owning these coins.
But like, sir, that's just crypto. But like, what is crypto for you personally, as the CEO and founder of Dirty Crypto? What is cryptocurrency for you personally
To
now?
me,
Yes,
I see it more like a passion.
a passion.
Yeah, I started trading forex.
Yeah, yeah.
That was how I ventured into this all trading stuff.
Okay.
So I don't know, maybe it was a divine revelation. I stumbled upon crypto because omo, during the smart contract era of Ethereum,
What's that? Cheers.
so the thing gave me some little money, and I was like, what kind of thing is this? Like, how does this thing work? It was more like um, being critical. I was very too critical in my thoughts. I wanted more.
Mm.
Understand? So I wanted more. I wanted to know what exactly is this and how does it work. So inquisitiveness brought me into crypto. So it's more like a passion now. I cannot do without it
This is-
every day, guy.
mm.
But it's not a god.
Yeah,
It does
yeah,
not
yeah.
substitute my god,
Yeah.
but it's a passion.
Okay.
I live, I breathe, I think crypto
Crypto.
every now and then.
Okay, but like, how was your life before you met crypto?
Uh,
It's like say, yeah,
so
yeah.
I'll just give you an illustration
Yeah, that is perfect.
of how it looks like.
I mean, perfect.
So well, before I met crypto, I
Yeah.
was more like any money that comes into my hand, I feel like a big boy. But crypto made me know that I'm not a big boy. Yeah,
Mm.
it's very ironic, right? So crypto made me know that I'm not a big boy.
Yeah.
So before I was not into all this investing stuff. Crypto wisened me up. Yeah,
So to speak.
yeah, it wisened me up. You
Yeah.
know, if you haven't been in a particular field before, then when you now venture into that field and you start seeing that there are more to this field than you used to see. Let's say crypto made me read, like it made me go outside the box. You know, from normal medical jargon to the the business world itself. Like I cannot see myself watching a chart. Like I see them on news, I'll be like, so all these financial
Oh
analysts.
yes, yes, yes.
So I, I I I don't invest. I'm not. I cannot pride myself as being a very big investor like Warren Buffett and the rest
Oh
of them.
yeah, 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 yeah,
But
yeah.
you know, it placed me on that path. Yeah, it placed me on that path that I can actually get there someday. So that is what crypto has done to me. Before I just see money, maybe 5,000 naira, I feel like a big boy. I spend it
You ball
anyhow,
out.
ball outside. You know, but right now, before
Yeah.
I spend such money, I'll be like, this money can actually help me buy so amount of coin.
Yeah,
And if
yeah.
I buy this coin, I just have 1 month or so, and this money will double.
Yeah, yeah,
Why borrow the money? You just have to put it somewhere that you know it's double. So
yeah. Yeah,
before you spend, first of all, calculate: am I really spending on the right thing? You understand?
that was deep.
That doesn't mean I will not spend at all, or that doesn't mean I put my entire money, or I don't have to dress good or look good or the rest of them. But I don't differentiate between looking good and showing off. So that's what did for me. I spending money anyhow was just eliminated. You understand?
Yes.
So if you really know someone that trades crypto and like learnt it, went through crypto, like crypto passed through him and he passed through crypto,
Yeah,
you will
yeah,
not
yeah.
see ostentatious lifestyles. Maybe the person can start living that lifestyle maybe when he has gotten to a very big amount of money. Those kind of people that maybe they ride Lambos and the rest of them who are in crypto and they didn't scam anybody, they didn't get it through quick schemes,
Yeah,
they made it through legit means. You will see how their lifestyle is. The lifestyle is different. So that's what crypto has done.
yeah. But out of like other opportunities like forex, like real estate, like politics, why crypto for you? Why crypto
Um, the comfortability
in crypto?
in crypto.
Please can you like shed more light on that?
To explain,
Yes.
if it is forex, if I make a trade on forex, I told you I was a forex. I'm still a forex trader, but I don't mostly focus on forex.
Okay.
So, and my expertise is on crypto. So for me to place a trade on forex, I have to sit down, make good analysis. Because to be frank, forex make you get money very quick. But at the same vein, you can lose money in
Ah.
a twinkle of an eye. That's happened to me. It happens to any professional forex trader. It happens to anybody. But the comfortability of maybe you're placing a trade and you're scared. Oh, this thing is falling. It might fall. It might rise. But crypto, you are comfortable because if you're not trading, you're staking, you are yield farming, you're providing liquidity, you're doing every other sorts of things. I can tell you, I may not be trading and I'm making money. I tell people when I made a video, an ad, when I was telling people that you can actually make money trading without placing one particular trade. People think I was joking, but I've tested it. I've seen it. I see it happen. Like I tell you, like there's a wallet I receive coin every like 3 times every day.
Oh yeah, 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 yeah.
So I receive coin 3 times every day.
Mm.
I didn't stake much. If I had staked huge amount of money, imagine what my returns would be like. So crypto is more like with more money you're making more money
Okay.
and you're comfortable with it. You understand? You're on your lane, you're
Okay.
doing your thing, the little funds you're putting in, you're getting your little returns, and
Yeah,
you're
yeah,
happy.
yeah.
And you're not scared of losing the money in the long run.
Mm.
You understand? That's, will I say, you have financial security.
in a sense.
Yeah, in the sense.
Okay, but like,
So, and I
okay,
want to make a little point.
yeah,
So I see forex traders going into crypto. I was actually chatting with somebody today.
okay,
Today, like today, this very
yeah,
day. Today
yeah.
is what?
Today is 10th
10th
of
of
April,
April
2021.
2021.
Yeah.
So someone, I was chatting with somebody, I saw him post a futures trade. I asked him, when did you join us? It was like just today. A forex trader, big
Yeah.
time forex trader that has an academy, forex academy, teaching people how to trade forex, making good money.
Mm.
You understand? He owns his own company and all. Told me today he just joined crypto. I was like, wow, that's nice. So if you've tasted forex, tasted stocks, I trade stocks too, tasted crypto, my brother, you have no choice than to choose crypto, guy.
A
And
lot
then
of
now, you should now go, like you mentioned, politics and
yeah,
real
yeah,
estate.
physical businesses like
Yeah,
us.
physical businesses.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's a perfect one.
So crypto is online.
Yes, purely online.
Now there are physical businesses that I will not overlook. Real estate is a very good form of investment. And I used to tell people, if you make money through crypto, push it out. Real estate, grow
Okay,
your funds,
okay,
diversify.
that's mad one. Not
So,
just crypto every time. You go
diversify.
okay.
That's why any person that passed through crypto and crypto passed through them, they always diversify their money. Like I tell people, more money is not a sin.
Jesus,
Making more money
it's not a
is not
sin.
a sin.
Oh, that one is quote of the month though.
So,
Making more money is not a sin.
so if you have any means to make money legally,
Mm.
do it. So investing in physical business are good. Then if you still have passion for politics, do it. Politicians are there who are investing in crypto.
Yeah, yeah,
You
yeah.
understand? Who are investing in forex to people trade for them and they make their money.
Mm.
Who are also investing in stocks. Like Malaye, I think he bought McDowell stocks and I think I was
Sure.
watching his video.
Yeah, he cashed out. He cashed out.
He was telling us that it was McDowell stock that is giving him all the money he's spending.
It's a lie.
It's not about politics only. So most of them, they are wise.
Yeah,
They,
yeah,
they,
yeah.
they, they make their money, they push it abroad, put it in crypto, store it in one particular wallet, and they forget about it, and it keeps making money for them. Passive income.
Hmm.
That's it. So all of them are very important. Politics, crypto, stocks, forex, all of them
Not just one, but diversify.
diversify. But I do tell people, you cannot trade forex and crypto at the same time. Sorry, you might not be perfect in it. A jack of all trade, master of none.
No, my dear.
So the best thing is focus on one, choose an each. And then in the cryptocurrency space, there are a lot of things. You can have a crypto YouTuber, very
That's a
possible.
mad one. I see. Idea of the month, though. Crypto YouTuber. That's crazy. That's crazy.
So
Crypto YouTuber.
you have a crypto YouTuber. I
Yeah.
tell people,
Yeah.
my brand is open. Gentle Crypto Enterprise is open to accommodate as many people with good skills that want
Yeah.
to make money in this cryptocurrency space. Come to me. Tell me what you can do,
Yeah.
and we'll make ideas come alive. Like, I am in for business anywhere, anytime. If you have any nice business idea, you let me know. Let's see how we can
Mm.
push it across and let's make something out of it.
Mm.
You understand? Let's make something out of
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
So that's just me.
Like you said, words like staking,
Mm.
youth farming. I know you said staking, youth
Liquidity.
farming, liquidity. Like one of those words. Like we're all beginners here. Like we're not like all beginners in this
Okay.
kind of thing. Can
Okay.
you explain what those phrases
Okay.
means?
This phrase are more like for you as a trader. You want
Okay.
to play it safe in the cryptocurrency space.
Okay.
It's not like all safe in quotes, but at least there are risks to it. But
Yeah, yeah,
the
yeah.
risks are minimal. So instead of keeping your coin in your wallet,
Yeah,
lying there doing nothing, maybe appreciating in value,
yeah, yeah.
you can just put it in a yield farm, or you stake it on um, on a platform like
Mm.
Uniswap, PancakeSwap.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
All
But
these
like,
platforms we still get to know. If you
okay,
want to know about them, don't worry, you
because
get to know.
yeah,
In my academy, I give you all those. I break it down for you.